The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra makes no sense until you stop using it like a normal tablet.
And that took me a while to figure out. Before this, my laptop was a default. Now it's not. For the stuff I actually do every day, this tablet started replacing my laptop way more than I expected. That's what caught me off guard.
On the couch, it feels like Samsung built a cutting board, gave it Android, and called it productivity. But put it on a desk, snap on the keyboard, open DeX, and suddenly it stops looking like a giant tablet trying to feel important at Best Buy. It starts feeling like a workspace.
And once I started using it that way, the question changed. It wasn't can this tablet keep up, it was why am I still carrying this folding brick around just to answer emails and open PDFs.
I'm using the gray 256GB Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, the 14.6-inch version. I've been using it long enough as my main desk setup to stop judging it like a shiny tablet, start judging it like something that has to survive real work.
And that was the first sign this thing was doing something different. I wasn't using it because it looked cool, I was using it because it was already sitting there doing the job.
Keyboard, DeX, Samsung Notes, browser tabs, files, email, PDFs, the usual mess that normally makes me reach for a laptop. Now, for a lot of my normal work, it's not. The whole thing works because of space plus structure. The screen gives you room, DeX gives that room order, the keyboard keeps you serious, the S Pen keeps you from saying, I'll remember that later, which is one of the dumbest lies humans keep repeating. The size is the first reason this works. Yes, the display looks amazing, it is Samsung, we know. The useful part is that your chaos has something to live with. On a smaller tablet, everything feels temporary. Open one app, close another, swipe back, lose your place, blame the tablet like it's personally attacked you. The Tab S11 Ultra gives you enough room to stay inside one thought. Then there's DeX. DeX is where this tablet stops being big Android and starts acting like it borrowed pants from a laptop and somehow pulled it off. Regular tablet mode is fine for watching, scrolling, and lying to yourself about productivity. DeX is for when you actually need to get something done. Apps open in Windows, files stay nearby, notes stay open. I used it for a normal work block. Nothing fancy, just normal desk chaos. The weird part is I did not immediately reach for my laptop. That is the real test. The keyboard matters too. It is a keyboard, it types revolutionary stuff, but it changes how you sit. Without it, it feels like a massive premium tablet. With it, you stop poking the screen like an angry pigeon. You write longer, you organize more. That is a tablet that stops apologizing for having a keyboard. The S Pen does not announce itself. It waits for the exact moment the touchscreen stops being enough. Sign a document, circle a mistake, mark up a screenshot, or write an idea before it disappears into the same black hole where missing socks and good video titles go. If you carry a Galaxy phone, the Tab S11 Ultra starts acting like an extension of what you're already doing. Quick share, copy and paste, and moving files without emailing yourself like a confused office intern make the setup smoother. Now, before the Samsung fans start levitating, this thing is not perfect. The real Samsung problem is not just that it is big, it's too easy. The Tab S11 Ultra feels like a brilliant machine designed by people who forgot normal humans do not want to go on a treasure hunt every time they need a feature. Samsung gives you power, then hides the useful stuff 3 menus deep like it's protecting nuclear codes. Capable? Absolutely. Clean? Not always. And then there's Bixby. Bixby still feels like a roommate who technically pays rent but keeps standing in the hallway when nobody asks. The apps are mixed too. Some stretch across this huge screen like they were kidnapped and forced to become tablet apps. And the keyboard case is best on a desk. On your lap, it gets a little folding chair at a family barbecue. So no, this is not a perfect laptop replacement. If you need a full desktop apps all day, keep your laptop. If you edit heavy projects or live inside apps that hate Android tablets, this will not replace everything. It is useful in the exact place tablets usually fall apart, the desk. If this video is helping, hit that like button and drop a comment telling me if you could replace your laptop with something like this, or if I'm being emotionally manipulated by a tablet the size of a cafeteria tray. The part I did not expect is how well it switches personalities. During the day, it is a desk machine. You pull it off the keyboard, lean back, and suddenly it becomes a giant Samsung screen for YouTube, movies, or pretending you earned a break because you answered 4 emails. A lot of laptops still feel like work when you're done. The Tab S11 Ultra can feel serious, then fun again when your brain has officially resigned for the day.
That's where the Tab S11 Ultra started winning laptops for me. Not because it beats a laptop at everything, it doesn't, but because a lot of the stuff I actually use laptops for is not that dramatic. I'm not sitting there every day editing Hollywood movie or running some NASA command center. Most of the time it's writing, checking things, opening files, marking up some things, moving between tabs, and trying to get get through the boring stuff without the device making it feel heavier than it already is. And for that kind of work, this tablet is weirdly comfortable. The phone is too small, you're pinching, zooming, swiping back and forth, losing your place, and acting shocked when you get annoyed. The laptop is powerful, but sometimes it feels like too much machine for a small job. Open it up, find a spot, deal with the charger, get into the laptop mode, and suddenly answering one email feels like you've clocked into a shift. The Tab S11 Ultra sits in the middle. That's the sweet spot. It gives you the bigger screen when the phone starts feeling like a punishment, but it doesn't always bring that full laptop energy with it. Snap the keyboard on and you're ready for work. Pull the keyboard off and it stops acting so serious. This is the part I like. It doesn't make every task feel better than it is. And the size helps here too. Even though the size is also the thing people complain about first, with the book cover keyboard, the whole setup is around 2.5 pounds. A regular laptop is usually around 3 to 4 pounds. So in the bag, this is lighter and easier to carry. But in your hand, yeah, it still feels huge. This is not portable like a phone. It's portable like a desk, and I think that's the best way to understand it. If you expect this to be a casual little tablet you hold in the bed for hours, you're going to hate it. Your wrist is going to call HR, but if you're treated like a portable desk setup, it starts making way more sense. Truck, kitchen counter, coffee shop, job site, desk, wherever. Put it down, open it up, and it gives you enough screen to actually work without pulling out a full laptop every time. That's the difference. It's not replacing the most powerful version of a laptop, it's replacing the lazy, daily, annoying laptop moments. The small stuff, the repeated stuff, the stuff you do all the time and don't even think about it until another device makes it easier. That's why I think this tablet works better than it should, because it doesn't win by being perfect, it wins by being the thing that I keep reaching for when I don't feel like making the task more complicated than it needs to be. The other thing that started to matter in DeX is precision, not power, precision. When you have windows open, menus tucked into corners, small controls, tiny close buttons, little resized edges, touch can get sloppy fast. Your finger is great for scrolling, but the second you need to hit something small, it turns into a sausage with confidence. That is where the S Pen actually feels useful. It lets you move around DeX with more control. You can tap smaller things, resize windows cleaner, select text easier, and move through the setup without feeling like you're fighting the screen. It's not flashy and it's not the thing Samsung screams about in the commercial, but it makes the tablet feel more like a proper desk, and that's the kind of feature that ages well. Not the big demo stuff, the small thing you start using without thinking because it makes the whole setup less annoying. So who should buy it? If you want a small tablet for scrolling in the bed, skip this. If you need a full desktop power every day, keep your laptop. DeX does not magically replace everyday workflows. But if your day is mostly writing, notes, research, emails, PDFs, planning, meetings, browser work, and Galaxy phone integration, the Tab S11 Ultra makes a real case. Not because it is the biggest tablet, because it finally gives the size a reason to exist. Space plus structure. Samsung still needs to stop hiding useful features like classified documents. Bixby still feels like it walked into the wrong meeting. Android tablet apps still need to grow up, but when this tablet works, it really works. It replaces the part of a laptop most people actually use every day, and that is where the S11 Ultra finally makes sense. Alright guys, this is Naz from Built for Tech, and I'll see you guys on the next one.